Hi, everybody. I just want to make sure that we have the basic understanding of our attendance policies and how to use Google Classroom. So, I just want to make sure that, first of all, everyone knows that I will be available in a Google chat every school day from 1 to 1:30, and that's going to be in Google Hangouts. So, I've posted this link in Google Classroom, or you could join me by phone as well, which I also have posted in Google Classroom. I'll show you that in just a minute. So those are my specific office hours for video conferencing. If you just have a regular question, I'll be available on school days from 9 to 11 and 12 to 2. So I will get back to you as soon as I can during those times. This is different and in addition to my specific office hours. And this goes for all your teachers as well. So it's not just me, but this is for all the 7th grade teachers. All right, for attendance. For every single class, every single school day, you need to mark that you were, quote, present by just checking in. Most of your teachers are going to have a super short, easy question like me, or some might just do kind of like a Google quiz. We will post them every day by 9 o'clock in the morning, and you have to respond by 2. So make sure that you do it early so you don't forget. All right. Now, if you go to Google Classroom, on the very front here, you'll see this is where the Google Meet is. So these are for my office hours every day. So if you just click on this, getting ready. All right, you'll just click join. Hi. Click join now, and that will take you to my Google Meet. So that's going to be every day from 1 o'clock to 1:30. Now for attendance, you see this whole header called attendance. It'll be labeled by the date. Just click on it. It'll be a super easy question. It'll just multiple choice most often. And just make sure that you do this so you are counted for attendance every day. Fiction unit is the next header. That's where our daily activities and lessons are going to be. They'll be labeled with the same date style as you see up here. So I think that's it. Again, you can email me, you can call me, you can Google chat me in this next coming week. So I look forward to seeing you, and yeah, hope that everyone's doing well. I'll talk to you later. Okay, bye.